Awesome. So here's Mary Kay. I cannot see her. Where we are.
I'm nervous.
Why?
Help me.
You're riding in what?
In a boat.
For the first time. That's the cars. That's the ocean. And
there's the
that's
bubbles.
the island over there. That's tiny little light. We're going there. Yeah. We're riding in a boat.
It's my first time to see a boat with cars inside.
With cars in it. Whoa.
You must stand in the middle of a boat so you
Cannot
will-
see your face.
Okay, fine. You show the bubbles.
There, show me.
See? That's the bubbles. I think they're putting soap in the sea.
Cars. Stuff.